Hey everyone, this is Gary Wagnon. This is a quick video on how do you install the virtual background if you're going to be using that for an upcoming meeting. So if you have a Zoom desktop account, you would log in to your Zoom account. Brings you here. You go to settings and you would scroll down until you find virtual background. You'll make sure that's checked. Blue means it's on. You can also check to allow videos for the virtual background, but you want to make sure those are on before you start your meeting. If you are using just going to attending a meeting and you're not using your Zoom account, then what you'll want to do is once you log in, you'll notice down here on the bottom it's stop video. This is on a desktop. It does work on an iPhone. You cannot enable a virtual background on a Android device. I don't think they've upgraded that. I know mine doesn't have that. So you down here on the bottom where it says stop video, or on an iPhone it would be under the more button. There'll be a choose virtual background option. When you click that, there's a little plus button right up here. You click the plus button. It'll let you add an image or a video. So you say add an image. You go search for it on your computer. In this case, here it is. The sizing is about 1900 by 1455. That's about the right size for a background, although you do have to move any graphics or anything down a little bit on the screen. So if you're creating your own graphic, you need to allow a little space at the top. So you select and open it, and then at that point it installs it on your behind you. You don't need to use a green screen. You just need to mirror my video, so you don't have to have a green screen. Also notice that the video or the background is backwards. When you see it, when you're looking at it, that's normal. It's mirrored so that everybody seeing it will see it as you see my screen, which is turned around the correct direction. Actually, you're looking at the back end of mine, so you're seeing it turned around as well. So don't be concerned with that. When you see the replay or when you see it, it will be faced the correct way. So select the video and you're done. That's all you have to do. If you want to change backgrounds during a meeting, you click the down arrow, choose virtual background. You can choose a video or still image, so you can do anything you want. But that's how you set the background. There are system requirements. So certain operating systems, you do need a Windows 7 or 10, but you also have to have a little higher graphic capability and processor capability. So if for some reason your computer does not give you the option for a virtual background, it's probably because your processor is not big enough to handle it. I know with my wife's computer was not able to handle it until we upgraded her computer, and then it works fine. So it requires a little higher graphics capability and a little higher processor speeds. So that's how you install a virtual background, and hopefully that's helpful. So we'll talk to you guys on another video.